We'll give you guys a little head cam action today. So Jimmy T, you'll be okay. Do not watch this one. Watch one of the other 143 videos there, Jimmy T. So this is our view of Lake Mead. Speed limit is 45 and we are running. Let's lock the cruise right there. So we're going to lock the cruise into 45. Get you guys the gauges here. Some of you guys want to see the gauges. There you go. We got the fake gauges up there. All the comforts at home. I think they got the steering wheel at the right height for y'all. So we just got our load picked up in Las Vegas, Nevada. We have the Rolling Stones Rolling Museum. We are truck number 6 of 6. So we have a really light load. We just got some leftover stage stuff. So piece of cake. I'll lean up so you guys can see that Lake Mead. It is beautiful. Nice U-turn there for her. But anyway, so this little GoPro, it does an okay job, but that's a pretty nice view, is it not? I'll have to buy myself one of those range finders. You know, like a little scope like a sniper uses, so we get distance measurements. Be interesting to see how far that is across there. So we are now entering Lake Mead National Recreation Area, and some hardcore bikers there climbing this grade. Must be I think it's a marathon, a triathlon, because they would have that barricaded off, because there's not much of a shoulder on that side of the road for the bikes. But anyway, I think we have a really light load. Probably 10,000 pounds, if that. I wonder what kind of fish they got down there in Lake Mead. Big old house Peterbilt. You guys see over there? This is see a lot of Mustangs in Vegas. I came over here to rent a car, and the rental places are covered up in Mustangs. Crazy. They pay like, I forget what the difference in day rate. That thing's like 150 or something like that a day. It's just ridiculous, you know. I just took the 4-door Nissan for like $78 a day or something like that. I don't remember what it was, but yeah. I'm sorry, I had a Mazda 3 when I came over here and rented a car. The Nissan's what I wound up with when I rented a car in Hawaii, because the first car they gave me was junk. Let's see if this big Volvo house is still up here, big Landstar. Big old beautiful Volvo, somewhere up here on the end. It is not. Yeah, there it is. Look at that. Check that guy out. He has it going on, does he not? So your next stop on this tour, ladies and gentlemen, will be the Hoover Dam. Hope you enjoyed your visit through Lake Mead. Exit 2 right here is where you take your rental cars or your personal car if you live here and go to the Hoover Dam to take a tour of the Hoover Dam. It is a really awesome tour. I may include a part of that tour in this video clip right here. Enjoy. I would like to apologize before I do put that clip in there that this is was one of my first YouTube clips. Not YouTube clips, but Hero or GoPro clips. So we were just learning. But anyway, enjoy the footage. We'll see you at the dam.
OK， 過嚟，喂，睇唔睇到呢度啊？我睇啲鋪都係睇到啦。如果你擺飛落去咧，就落去下邊嗰度拋 can 啦。如果好多水咧，啲水你知唔知喺邊度窿出嚟啊？喺嗰個 building 嗰度出嚟啊！見唔見啊？嗰個 building 啊，嗰個喺個 border 嗰個 building 咧，佢有兩條水柱揈出嚟。因為我公司下邊咧有部 video 租你。Okay, don't worry about who else is in it. Or whether or not you see me, that's okay. We're getting you where you need to go, okay? All right, so we just descended 54 stories into the earth. So where are we? Well, on this map, we're right here. That probably doesn't mean a whole lot yet, so let's put the pieces together. We are in one of 4 diversion tunnels. There are 2 in Nevada and 2 in Arizona. Each one is 50 feet diameter, and they run about 3/4 of a mile long. Now, all told, it took 2 years to blast all 4 out of this solid volcanic rock down here. Now, the word diversion gives us a clue as to what they were for. The river runs through here. They want to build a dam, so they have to divert the water around the construction site. In order to do that, after the tunnels were created, they weren't built, they were dug out. They did put an upper cofferdam here, which allowed the water to rise so it could flow into the tunnels, and then a lower cofferdam here that prevented backfill of water into the site. Now, once the water was gone from the construction site, they could begin to dig down through 135 feet of silt and other loose material until they reached the bedrock below, and then that would be the foundation of the dam itself. So next came the concrete. 16 tons of concrete were placed every 90 seconds, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, for 2 years. When the dam was ready, they closed these 3 diversion tunnels, allowing the outer Nevada diversion tunnel open so water could continue down the river while Lake Mead was filling up behind the dam. Now, these circles here are our intake towers. They stand 395 feet tall, and they sit on rock ledges 250 feet above the river floor. So this is where water begins its journey to become electricity. It enters the towers and then flows down these 30-foot diameter penstock pipes. Remember where we are on the map? Right here, right? We are standing above one of those pipes right now, and if you look over there, out that window, you get a really great view of that giant pipe. Now, it's capable of moving up to 96,000 gallons of water per second. Now, that's a rate that will fill an Olympic-sized swimming pool in under 7 seconds. It's a lot of water moving very quickly. It is then diverted.
Okay, I hope you enjoyed that footage of the Hoover Dam. And back to our normal, regularly scheduled programming. But just look at this rugged terrain. Isn't this awesome? Love it. I seen some cows a while ago up on the rocks. You know, you see mountain goats. Seen 2 cows on the way up. Seen 2 cows. I never seen cows. I had spent us 55. We're going to spend 55 because we got a Volvo on our donkey. And we are going to grab the left lane You notice where the bump is? And my seat is on the floor. And also, gotta write this mileage down. La 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 la. Our truck is a wreck, ladies and gentlemen. But the outside is just absolutely beautiful. Come on. Had her all shined up yesterday. Here's the bump. Hold on to your seats. Woo! That was fun, was it not? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, right up here to your left will be the Hoover Dam. And right here, that little concrete's where you get off and walk. And you can walk across this bridge that they built a few years ago. If you guys want to look it up, Mike O'Callaghan, Pat Tillman Memorial Bridge. The Hoover Dam is right here to your left. I don't know that you can see it. No, you can't see it right yet. Hold on. Anyway, they built this bridge, which is a modern marvel in itself.
Crossing border, entering Arizona.
Welcome to Arizona. Okay, yeah, you can't see the dam. So, I will insert a clip of the bottom side of the bridge. Again, it will be shaky, and I apologize for the rough audio and the wind noise. We wasn't as sophisticated as we are now. So, roll that beautiful footage. See you in a moment. We're up there.
好多水咧，啲水你知唔知喺邊度窿出嚟啊？喺嗰個 building 嗰度出嚟，見唔見啊？嗰個 building 啊，嗰個喺個 border 嗰個 building 咧，佢有兩條水柱射出嚟。因為我公司下邊咧有啲羊騷嚟。
Okay, I hope you enjoyed some of that footage of the bridge. Had I known we would have probably used that footage, we might have done a better job. Oh, and by the way, welcome to Arizona. We're going to get back in our right lane and continue on our journey. So we, as I said, we have the Rolling Stones Rolling Museum. I got out of the truck to hit the dock there, and one guy greeted me. I shook his hand. I said, "Where are you from?" He said, "England." I said, "You're fresh off the boat." He's like, "Yes, been here 13 days. And then the other guy, he spoke. I said, "Okay, are you from the same place?" He said, "No, Australia." I said, "Well, I've got friends in Australia, Facebook friends, and I watch my YouTube channel." Well, then we got into that discussion about my idiotic ramblings. But anyway, so they flew in, and that's what they do. They travel with this Rolling Stone Rolling Museum. Everywhere it goes, they go. I'm like, "Well, how cool is that?" And he said, "Yeah, I'll see you in Nashville." I'm like, "Okay." So they fly out tonight at 11 on a red eye, and they will meet me in Nashville. Poor old Volvo. She just wasn't going to pull it in the big hole. So when I split it, it picked it back up. And so I did speed up on him a few miles an hour. He'll be alright. Here is the Animal Bridge that goes nowhere. As Chris says, the bridge that goes nowhere. Alright, later guys. So I love it when four-wheelers come up, they give me a thumbs up. The guys that appreciate the ride, you know. I have some people in my YouTube video comments that, well, that truck don't make any more money than the next guy does. An old ratty Prius that I call them. That might be true. But I'll guarantee you one thing, I feel better about my job than he does. To me, this is not a job. At all. He might view it as a job. I do not. To me, this is fun. And I get paid for this, come on. Well, I don't know about all that. My boss, he's a bit of a jerk. He has not paid me much this year. He's too busy spending money washing the bloody truck. It lets me go hungry. But he's got to wash the truck, you know. I may have to quit. Go find me somebody else to drive for. Somebody's going to feed me. Yes, sir. I haven't set the floor in a long time for you guys. Hope y'all enjoy. A while ago I forgot I had my phone charger plugged in. I had to take it out, you know, I had to clean it up. Put my lighter thing back in there. Yes, sir. Styling and profiling, come on. If it doesn't rain, see the sprinkles on the windshield? If it doesn't rain, I'll show you guys what we are working with. For the ones of you that did not see the video that we put up yesterday. Well, it wasn't yesterday. Holy smokes, a couple weeks ago, right? Because I'm behind on videos. I got like 5 or 7. I'll tell you what, right here, there's a tab. See that white tab right there just popped up? Click that white tab right now and go watch that video right there. You'll see what the truck looks like today. Come on. Just touch it, touch the tab, go watch the video, and then come back to this one. Alright, I'll have a tab, another video to come back to this one. So go back, go back. See ya. Hope you enjoyed that. The ones of you that left, because she turned out nice, man. Woo, Lord have mercy. Shine a truck. Good job. So we are styling and profiling today. If it rains, I told them guys from London or England or whatever it was, probably the same place, right? And the other guy from Australia. If it rains, the load will be late. Yes, sir. I think they thought I was kidding. Nope. I'm not kidding. Because I will not cross Flagstaff if it's wet. I will park it. Wait for Flagstaff to dry up. Because Flagstaff, they put brine on the road every single day. And plus all the brine that's on the road. And all the sand and lava rock, whatever it is they use, it just makes a stinking mess. And earlier I thought, well, I'm going to stop down here just to overlook, which is no trucks allowed. I thought, there wouldn't have any cars while I go. I thought, well, I can get in there and then take a picture. That would be a killer backdrop, you know. But they don't want trucks in there. And if it wasn't for them cars up here on the right there, I'd go in there anyway. I'd come out here on the shoulder road and I'd take a picture of my truck. I mean, look at that. Look at that. Holy smokes. That'd be like an awesome backdrop, you know. See, no trucks. Phew. I'll tell you, I could get in there a second. Get in right there. I still could have done it. Yeah, parked right there next to that. Yeah, I could have done that. You know. And, yeah, man. That would have been a beautiful picture. But it's really cloudy and overcast today. Need like a really good sunshiny day, and I'm focused on getting out of Dodge. Those sprinkles are getting worse. All that hard work polishing this truck up, I'd like for it to last more than 3 or 4 hours. So anyway, but it'll clean back up. It'll be okay.